What happens when you're doing online school and you run into a problem? You're not quite sure how to finish or even start your assignment. How can you effectively communicate with your teacher to find out what it is that you're supposed to do? That's what we're talking about today. Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Rochford, and I am a grade 7 and 8 teacher. And here on this channel, I like to create videos that help parents, students, as well as teachers in their online schooling journey. Well, the question today has to do with what happens when you're stuck on an assignment or you're maybe not quite sure what it is that you're supposed to be doing? How can you get instruction from your teacher? Well, this is where private comments come into play. So what we're going to do is we're going to head into the computer here and we're going to take a look at how we can do that and how handy they can be. All right, so once again, we are here with example student. We're going to open up one of his Google Classrooms. We're going to take a look. All right, we have an assignment that is coming up. And so I'm going to take a look here. All right, so for this assignment, the student should upload a file for the teacher to view. But I'm a little confused. Is it a specific file? Is it like just anything? Or is the teacher, wanting something specific? I'm not sure about that. So I need some clarification. So here we're going to go to View Assignment to fully open up the assignment. And just as is being highlighted here, we can have a private conversation with the teacher. Okay, so on every single assignment like this, there is a section here dedicated to private comments. All right, and what we can do is we can place our question here. So we click on here, all right, and we can add our comment. Let's say we're going to say, I'm not sure what to do. Please help. I've got to make sure I type things properly. There we go. And in order to send it, we click this button right here and it will post as a private comment. All right. Now, this can be an ongoing back and forth conversation between you and your teacher. Okay, because when you send a private comment, your teacher will receive a notification. Okay, in their inbox. That's how I have mine set up, so I get notifications for it. And so I will go through and I'll take a look at the private comments. And then I will respond to them, okay? So when I place a private comment as a response back to the student, as long as they have their notifications turned on as well, they will get an email notification when I send that message. And then they can come back to the assignment and they can check it out. Okay, and so now what I've done is I have responded from the teacher account. So I'm just going to refresh the page here so that you can see what that looks like. Okay, so here we have the discussion going. So the example student has placed in their concerns. I need some help. And the teacher or instructor has responded here. So not a problem. Let me send you a Zoom link and we can chat. All right, so there we have this private conversation going on. And when I say private, I mean it is only between you and your teacher. No one else can see that conversation because this is a private forum, back and forth between you and your teacher. So if you are ever in the position where you're just not sure what it is that you're supposed to do with your assignment on Google Classroom, make sure that you open up the assignment and you utilize that private comment so that you can talk with your teacher and get the help that you need.